The settings of the mouse can go lag at times, and this can easily affect the sensitivity of the mouse on your Windows 10. Want to learn how to control or manage mouse sensitivity on Windows 10? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. So, to control mouse sensitivity on Windows 10, you need to right-click on the Start button on the bottom left corner, click on Settings, click on Devices, choose Mouse on the left corner. You can increase or decrease the cursor speed to change the sensitivity on it. As you manage it, you will get an option of additional mouse options on the right corner. Click on additional mouse options. Here you can see double click speed. That is, double click the folder to test the settings. The folder does not open or close, try using a slower setting. So to increase or decrease the speed, you can click on this cursor and then drag it to the very fast. If you're going to keep it fast, the mouse sensitivity is going to be very fast. That means it is not going to lag at all. After you've made it faster, click on apply and then click on OK. As you finish doing it, you will find out that the sensitivity of your mouse has been changed successfully. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.